Hey, what's up, Edgar? This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking this video. I spoke to Miss Diana earlier and she wanted me to get this sent over to you. Just wanted to show you guys real briefly some things that you could do to help improve your online presence to start bringing in more customers through your website. If you're wondering why I'm making you this video, I find a lot of times business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves to bring in more business. And typically, the only thing that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I find by doing these attack plans for free, a lot of folks still end up calling me back. You know what, Peter, I like you. I prefer you just take care of this for me. So if at the end of the video, Edgar, you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and can do some good for your business, feel free to give me a call back. We can chat further. If you guys just want to take this information and apply it yourselves and run with it, that works with me too. My goal here is just to help as many people as possible. So the things I want to go over is how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to make it rank in the Google Map packs, local map packs, right? So starting off with looking at your website, it looks great. I like the animations. It's got a lot of color and there is content on it, and it's not just a little bit of content. So you guys are moving in the right direction. Unfortunately though, Google doesn't rank the website based on how nice it looks, right? It's based on how much content is on the homepage. And that typically to be considered an authority in the eyes of Google, you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words. I think the average homepage has about 1,800. So you guys are probably go in and add about 1,000 words of content to your homepage and get that closer to 2,000. Because again, you do have a fair amount already. One thing you could do as well is each one of your pictures, whatever these are saved as, that's an opportunity to stuff in keywords. Save image as, sorry. See, so that image is saved as A star logo small. You want to save that as like HVAC contractor Dallas, Texas, or Dallas, Texas HVAC contractor, and that applies to each one of your pictures and icons and buttons all across your website. It's just an opportunity for you guys to sneak keywords in there, right, and give you some more power. Next thing is how to make your website more trustworthy. For this, I go into a tool we use called Ahrefs. We pay about $1,000 a month for. It's definitely useful, if you want to invest in it. Basically just gives us a lot of really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. So you can see here, I've plugged you guys' website in. You have 68 referring domains and 192 backlinks. This is where that trust factor comes in from, right? Is how many relevant websites are linking back to your website. So the fact that you have 70 is good. You just want to make sure that each one you get is relevant to your industry. For example, like you guys are, you do HVAC and plumbing. You don't want a bunch of pizza companies pointing back at you because Google knows you're not a pizza company, right? Going in and looking at your competition, Metro AC. Let me go back to the home. Or sorry, that was it. You can see they actually have close to the same amount of referring domains. They have a lot more backlinks though. So what you'd want to do here is go in and add you guys had what, 68? Go in and add about 60, 80 more, get yourself up to 120, 150 or so. Now another thing too is looking into the keywords that you guys are ranking for when I noticed this. So you had 544 keywords. That's a great start. But one of the issues here is like, look at your position, and for these keywords, you guys are ranking in high positions for your name, for the name of your company, right? That's only going to be beneficial to repeat customers, which don't get me wrong, those are great. If you guys want to be able to grow and expand and take on more new business, you have to have buyer intent keywords for people that don't know you, right? And if you go look at Metro and their keywords, they have less keywords, but they're getting 753 traffic a month, whereas I think you guys were getting about 100, yeah, 95 traffic per month, right? So it's not just about how many keywords you have. You want to have buyer intent keywords, right? Based that are, catered to people that need your service now. So going back over to Metro, you can see, so this makes more sense, right? These guys they're positioned first. There's 100 people a month that search HVAC Dallas, Texas, and these guys are the first people that are seen, right? So you want to go in and you can again go into Ahrefs, look at their keywords, and you guys can fight for their keywords as well. Or you can go in and spruce your own up and just make them more catered towards someone that needs your service that may not know you already, if that makes any sense. And the last thing is going to be citations. That's how to get you guys ranked in the local map app, right? You type in HVAC service Dallas, Texas. and Metro AC is they're number two, right? That's how we're using for reference. A lot of people skip over these Google ads, and I'm pretty sure that's where I found you guys' information. Not that you can't get leads there. I just, on average, most consumers will skip over that because of bad experience, or they have ad blockers, so they don't even see it in the first place. So we definitely want to get you guys ranked here. And all that requires is citations. What a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor. So yeah, go in and find exactly how many directories Metro's in. Add about 50 to 100 to that, and you guys are going to blow them out of the water, okay? So that's pretty much all I got for you, Edgar. Again, I went over content. Basically, just want to have about 2,000 keywords on your homepage, and then go in and resave those images as keywords as well. It'll definitely give you guys a boost. Go into Ahrefs, find out these referring domains that are pointing back to your competitors. Apply for the same spots, and then find about 60, 50 more, and that way you guys are gonna have more than them. And then the last thing is citations. Same thing, copycat method. Go find exactly how many directories they're in and add about 50 to that with your information as well. Like I said, that's all I got, Edgar. I appreciate your time. If you find this useful, you have any questions, concerns, want to chat further, feel free to give me a call back. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks, Edgar. Bye.